Are you ready to learn how to make homemade croutons? It is very simple, minimal ingredients. You save money and you don't have to throw anything out. Hi, I'm Ashley and I help new moms gain strength and lose pounds through clean eating and exercise. Head on over to my website for workouts and recipe ideas. You are going to start by preheating your oven to 250 degrees. You're going to want to do this right at the beginning. To make your homemade croutons, you are only going to need garlic powder, extra virgin olive oil, the bread itself, a cutting board, and then a large mixing bowl. The type of knife you're going to need is a bread knife, which has ridges. It'll make the cuts a lot cleaner. Go ahead and leave your bread out for about 15 minutes to dry out. You do not need to get fancy. Just cut your breadcrumbs into about 1.5, 2-inch cubes and then toss them in the bowl. Do this for all of the bread. Next, you are going to be coating the bread in extra virgin olive oil. You will be doing 1 tablespoon at a time. The key is that you want to coat all of the bread pieces. This will be a lot better when it comes to baking. Sprinkle your garlic powder and put more to taste. I absolutely love this part because this is where cooking becomes fun. This is where you can really get in tune and make the food the way you want to. So instead of using utensils, use your hand and just mix everything together. Next, you are going to take your pan that is lined with foil and you will dump the coated bread onto the pan. Go ahead and spread it out. You want to at least get this bread not necessarily touching, but not on top of each other. When the oven is ready, you are going to put the pan in, bake for 25 to 30 minutes. Go ahead and turn the pan around and bake for another 25 to 30 minutes. And there you go. You have made your very own homemade croutons. You have saved money, you know the ingredients, and you didn't waste any food. Not only do I love putting this on a salad, but I love grinding it up, putting it on chicken, and even using it coating fish. And they're even more delicious straight out of the oven. Make sure you hit subscribe for some more videos.